Good morning. It's a cloudy day today. I just couldn't help but take a video of what the plants look like today, because like this plant, our rose, it has recovered and it has lots of leaves now, unlike before when it was just sticks. So no blooms yet, but at least the leaves look healthy. And here is a cutting of the knockout rose. It is surviving this one. So, and it has leaves. So when it's a little bit bigger, I can transplant it on the ground. And I have another knockout red rose. Okay, and also an update on our bare root rose. So it has leaves now. I don't know, I think this part is dead, but I won't cut it until this has grown. And our purple yarrow is doing okay. And petunias. And this one, the gladiolus, has fully bloomed. And the other flower stalk has started blooming there. And there are more tiger lilies open now. The orange blooms. I love orange. That's why I like this flower. So it's an oriental lily, and this is a close-up tiger lily. So lots of blooms and lots of buds still to open. And our rose has started to open. I love this color. And there's another bud. And here again, our favorite oriental lilies. Smaller ones, shorter ones have bloomed, and at least I was able to protect it. So this looks a little bit different. It has dots on it. So there are 3 more buds still to open with that kind of design, because these ones are pure pink. Okay, so that's it for now. It's just a short update on what's blooming right now. And also yellow roses. It's small but have lots of buds. And hydrangea have lots of buds too, or flowers. The yarrow, buds, and more buds. Can't wait to see what their color is. And here's the limelight, little lime. So one little lime, another little lime. This is limelight prime. This one is the big leaf hydrangea. Nice bloom. Another Limelight Prime, but it has no buds. And this is the Limetta. Limetta. And that is a summer crush, I think. And another summer crush. Okay. And our gladiolus has also bloomed. I still have to stick the other one on the left. Okay, so that's what the garden looks like. And it's raining. I better go inside. Going out to the plant section for clearance. So I walked out with two various roses, $5 each. It's raining. Good morning again. I have a plant haul. Came from Walmart, and I looked at the garden center and I found this. The perennials were all 50% off. So these bare root roses from $9.97 are $5 now. So I really want red rose, so I got this Chrysler Imperial. It's Chrysler Imperial. Says it's very large, high-centered blooms of vivid crimson red with darker overtones. Sturdy, vigorous plant, and it has excellent foliage. And the petal count is 50. So here it is. It has dried leaves, but still good ones. So it's $5. Okay, so I got two. The other one is Red Masterpiece. So Red Masterpiece says hybrid tea. Its deep velvety red blooms are large, richly fragrant, and borne on long stems. The so vigorous upright bush has dark green foliage, and petal count is 30 plus. So both red roses. So it has dried leaves too, but good amount of green leaves. Okay, so let us cut. I'll just cut the red or the dried leaves. So here we go. So it looks pretty good. Let's do the other one. Just put it here like this. This one is the Chrysler Imperial. So it had dried leaves before, and I just cut it. So I just need to plant it, but not right now. So this is called the Chrysler Imperial. And the other one I got is the Red Masterpiece. It's also red. So I also removed the dried leaf stems, and it has already grown long stem and numerous leaves. Okay, and aside from that, I also got four boxwoods, which were 50% off here. So they were also $5. So I got 5. It's a green velvet boxwood. So they were originally $10.98, but it was 50% off, so $5.49. It's from Home Depot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we were always waiting for boxwoods to go on sale, because right now it's expensive. The big ones are $20, and this one is originally $11. So it's 50% off. So it's $5.50, just 50 cents more expensive than the ones we bought 3 years ago. Okay, so we'll just wait or think about where we're going to plant it. Okay, oh, and before I forget, I also bought this begonia, Picoty pink and white. It has 3 bulbs. So it's originally $5.42, but I bought it for $3. Okay, so hopefully it will still bear flowers or still bloom. But I got the ones with it's supposed to have 3 bulbs. Oh no, they're all dried up, but I think I can still manage. So one. Oops. What was that? 2. And 3. Okay. So I think I need to plant it right now, so it will still have time to bloom. Okay, so that is the Picoty pink and white begonia. Okay.